12 things God will never let you ignore when it's time to let go of someone. Letting go of someone you care about is never easy. Even when things don't feel right anymore, your heart still holds on. But when God is telling you it's time to release someone, He will not stay silent. He will keep showing you signs, because He loves you too much to let you stay where His will no longer rests. One of the first things God won't let you ignore is spiritual discomfort. You feel it in your spirit before you see it in the physical. Something just feels off. You can't explain it, but your peace has left. That's not anxiety, it's discernment. Philippians 4:7 talks about peace guarding your heart and mind. When that peace is gone, it's time to pay attention. Another sign is conviction. You start seeing areas where the relationship is pulling you away from God. Maybe it's affecting your character, your choices, or your time in prayer. You try to overlook it, but God keeps bringing it to your attention. That gentle pull on your spirit is His way of protecting you from what you can't yet see. God will also remove the peace from situations that used to feel easy. Conversations feel forced, moments of joy are rare. You spend more time confused than comforted. When peace disappears, it's often God's signal that He's no longer blessing that connection. Blocked blessings are another thing you can't ignore. When you stay connected to someone who's not aligned with God's plan for you, doors stop opening. Opportunities dry up. Your prayers feel delayed. Sometimes, God will withhold certain things until you let go of what's holding you back. Isaiah 43:19 says, "See, I am doing a new thing." But you can't receive the new if you're still clinging to the old. Repeated signs will show up. You'll hear the same message over and over, in sermons, conversations, even your thoughts. God will keep putting that same truth in front of you until you're ready to face it. He's patient, but He's persistent. You can't ignore a message He's trying to get you to hear. Another thing is emotional exhaustion. You're always trying to fix things. You're always the one holding the relationship together. That tiredness isn't just physical, it's spiritual. It's what happens when you carry something God told you to release. You may also notice a loss of direction. You feel stuck, unmotivated, confused about your purpose. That can be a sign that you're not walking in alignment. Sometimes being connected to the wrong person puts your spiritual life in neutral. God might also allow certain things to fall apart on their own. No matter how hard you try to hold it together, it just keeps breaking. That's not punishment, that's protection. When something's not